Some people walk into a room and instantly get respect. Others walk in and no one even notices. Why is that? What makes one person command attention without saying a word, while someone else gets ignored or talked over? It's not height, it's not money, it's not status. It's psychology hidden, powerful, and constantly running in the background. And today, I am going to show you the invisible rules of the human mind that decide who gets respect and who doesn't. Stay until the end, because the last principle is the one almost nobody knows. Before you say a single word, your brain broadcasts a signal to everyone around you. This is how I expect to be treated. You see, people don't respect you because of what you say. They respect you because of what you believe about yourself. If you secretly feel unimportant, people sense it. If you believe you matter, people sense that too. Humans are experts at reading micro-expressions, posture, tone, and pacing. Your body reveals your internal self-value instantly. Next up is the calmness signal. Respect is heavily tied to emotional stability. Think about it. We naturally trust, follow, and respect those who remain calm under pressure. Why? Because calm people feel safer, more competent, more in control, and more reliable. When someone raises their voice in an argument, they actually lose power. But when someone remains centered, their presence becomes stronger. This is why people with a calm, grounded energy command more respect without ever having to force it. Now, let's talk about the boundary rule. This is the psychology most people get wrong. Respect doesn't come from just being nice. It comes from having boundaries. Humans subconsciously test limits. It's not usually because they want to be disrespectful, but because their brain is trying to understand your place in the social hierarchy. The moment you laugh off disrespect, tolerate mistreatment, over-explain yourself, or let people push your limits, your perceived value drops. Boundaries aren't aggression, they are self-worth in action. If you're learning something new already, take 1 second to like this video. It helps this message reach more people, and it tells me to create more psychology content just like this for you. Alright, let's continue. This brings us to the non-neediness effect. Here's a bit of a dark truth. People respect you more when you don't need their approval. Neediness is psychological pressure. It signals insecurity, and it lowers your status instantly. On the other hand, people trust, follow, and admire individuals who act from a place of internal security rather than a desperate need for external validation. The less you need people's approval, the more powerful you appear. This is one of the strongest social principles in all of psychology. Finally, let's cover the confidence posture loop. Humans don't judge confidence based on words, they judge it based on the body. Your spine, your chin, your shoulders, and even the pace of your movements tell a silent story. If your posture is tight and closed off, your mind is perceived as weak. If your posture is open, your mind appears strong. If you move slowly and deliberately, you look secure. If you move quickly and erratically, you look anxious. The mind and body mirror each other. Change one, and the other will follow. This is why leaders almost always have slow, controlled body language. It signals authority. If this video opened your eyes, hit like and subscribe. And drop a comment saying I choose respect to affirm this new mindset for yourself. The psychology behind respect isn't magic. It's a set of hidden rules that shape every social interaction. Master them, and people will start to treat you differently without you ever having to say a word. Thanks for watching.